So, good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Maua, Standard 8, Subject English, Semester 2, Unit 3, Points of View. So, my dear students, in the previous session, reported speech we have discussed. Activity 2 we have completed. I have sent PDF also, you can see and you can write. Now let us see activity number 3. Remember that a summary of a source is about the source. About source. You do remember about source? Source means writing that you are writing about. It is writing that you are writing about. That is source. So a summary of chaos reigns as traffic rules are ignored. Here the article which is written by Jatin Singh. Chaos reigns as traffic rules are ignored. Chaos we can see, lots of confusion we can see when there is rules are ignored, traffic rules are ignored. Written by Jatin Singh. Will not be about parking. Will not be about parking, which is given by him. It will be about the main idea of the author. That will be the main idea about the author, what author has written. And now what you will write. You may write related with the author or your own idea you will write. Summary you will write, neutral. Your own idea also you can write. Or what author has written, that also you can write. About this Jatin Singh, what he has written, that you can write, or your own viewpoint also you can give. The author's main idea is his point of view. The author's main idea is his point of view. His own judgment of the situation, that he has given his own judgment about the situation. He has given his own idea. He has given his own judgment. In the Jalandhar news, Jatin Singh put forth his view that with the sharper floating traffic and parking rules and the authorities and the police indifferent to the problem, the situation is doomed to chaos. Here in a Jalandhar news, what Jatin Singh has mentioned in his viewpoint, that with the shoppers floating traffic into the shop, there are so much traffic, not following any rules for the traffic, parking rules are not followed, and the authorities and policemen are unable to control it. So this problem is indifferent, the problem is increasing, and the situation becomes completely doomed to chaos. It is becoming very chaotic atmosphere is created here. Notice that Jatin Singh did not speak these words, but they are the exact words that he wrote. Notice, you can see these words. Jatin Singh did not speak. Jatin Singh, who has given this article, he did not speak this word, but they are the exact words that he wrote. These are the words which he wrote. We use quotation marks to show exact words. For this we are using quotation mark for exact word written in text, as well as to show exact words that people speak. Exact word we can show what people speak. That exact word we are showing by making some comma, inverted comma, single inverted comma, double inverted comma, hyphen, which is given here. Point of view is a particular way of thinking. If it is asked, what do you mean by point of view? In examination also that can be asked. What do you mean by point of view? So point of view is a particular way of thinking about something. It is a kind of way, a particular way of thinking about something. Your point of view is influenced by the type of person. Your point of view, your ideas, your point of view is influenced by the type of person you are, which kind of person you are, and by your experiences, and that you are writing about your experiences. That is point of view. Okay? Now in a chaos reigns, as traffic rules are ignored, we see the author's point of view and the point of view of three other people about author's point of view and 3 other people point of view which we have seen in this. Who are the 3 author, the other people? Who are these 3 other people? That let us discuss. First person is an official from the municipal corporation. He is the first person. First person is an official from municipal corporation. Second, a traffic police officer. Second one is traffic police officer. And third one is a student who was just passing by. Third one is a student. First one is an official from municipal corporation. Second one is a traffic police officer. Third one is a student who was just passing by. So these 3 are given here. Then new words which also I have given in PDF. This explanation also I have given in PDF. This along with the explanation words also I have given in PDF. Okay, so my dear student, till here we will see today. Remaining part we will see later on. Thank you very much. Goodbye.